Hi, I've been asked what's a rolling pick 3. Well, it's quite simple. First of all, a pick 3, you have to pick the winners of 3 consecutive races. And it could be races 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, or 3, 4, 5, like that. And a rolling pick 3 is actually doing them all, doing from the first, from race number 1, then do number 2. So I'll show you. This is, I haven't actually tipped today, but this is an example. I've pulled up Hollywood bets, because with Hollywood, you can bet any amount you want. Whereas if you do it on the TAB, you're going to find that you're going to have to take it twice, whatever the amount, and there's no fractional betting. But the dividends are declared to R1, even though it asks you to put R2 on. And Hollywood also give exactly the same dividend, and they don't charge it for tote or any other deductions. So let's just say we're looking at the pick 3 here, and we're at Kenilworth today. And let's just say this is the first race, and I decided, shall we say, to take the favourite, 2, 3, 4. I've taken all the horses here, just less than 10 to 1 in the first leg. I'll do the same. I'll just do some fairly random ones for the second leg. And that would be there. And for the third leg, here we are, just going on to betting. And there we are, I've done those. Now that comes to 96 rand. And what I can do here, I can then take bet. And on the right hand side here, we can see that it's 96 rand. So if I took it for 96 rand, it would then come up times taken 1. Then all I'd have to do then is go to the top here, click submit, and my bet's on. Now you do that, that's for the first pick 3. Now if you're doing the second pick 3, you do the same thing. You click on race number 2, and you go then to the top here, and you look at win and place. You click on that little corner, which I didn't show you before. You go down to the pick 3, and there we've got the races 2, 3, 4. So what I'll do here, again, if I was betting, I go pick that one, this one. And what I'm actually doing, or what I suggest you do, is to take the selections that I send you. Then this is what I did yesterday. And yesterday we picked up 1,000 profit just by doing this exactly, taking it only once, but taking it on all the pick 3s that were available. So this is the second one. Here we go again, just the same type of thing. I click this. If I'm doing this randomly, but you'll be doing it exactly from my selections, so you know where we are. And there we are, and this one comes to 75. So I click bet for 75, and then on here, this one here, I put this one to 75, and I could build up all my pick 6s, all my pick 3s, sorry, in a line, and then I just click submit, and it would clear them. So that's what I call a rolling pick 3. Yeah, I personally think that the pick 3 is one of the best bets on the card, especially if you're using it with my selections from the watch list. I've had great success lately, and it's only now that I'm exposing it to the public and giving you a chance to do it yourself. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy it and have fun with my selections. Okay, bye-bye.